The lighting higher. Yeah, it looks way better like that. Oh yeah. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I just want to show you guys my lighting. Hi. Thank you guys for clicking on my video and watching. Without you guys, I couldn't do me. I love you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below. My lighting is moving all over the place. Can you stand it up straight, please? Hi, thank you. I wanted to show you guys these little dope containers that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I have been wanting to buy these since forever, but being on a one income budget, I am always like, do I really need this right now? I found them at the Dollar Tree, these cute little plastic containers, and yeah, just keep on watching so you guys can see how I organized all my makeup. Enjoy the rest of the video.
I wanna lock in your